Have you ever imagined the second screen of the future might be hidden inside a pair of glasses? Apple Vision Pro has ignited the AR or VR industry. By 2026, global investment in AR or VR is expected to exceed $50 billion. At the heart of it all lies an ultra-thin piece of glass, the AR optical waveguide. This is where light is guided, bringing the virtual world directly before your eyes. With a refractive index above 1.8, it enables more efficient light guidance than conventional glass. Yet it is both hard and brittle. Even a slight touch can cause edge chipping. That changed with the arrival of this intelligent system. The world's first intelligent laser processing system for AR optical waveguide high-index glass. Processes 4 to 12-inch high-index glass wafers over 1.5 millimeters thick. Mark, read, and cut all in one process. Its first breakthrough technology, laser-controlled cracking (LSCO) technology. Rather than forcing its way through challenging materials, precisely shaped laser energy guides micro cracks along a predefined path. The resulting glass edges are mirror smooth, even under extreme magnification. Edge chipping remains below 10 microns. Mechanical strength testing shows an improvement of more than 50%. The second breakthrough, intelligent material handling. Vision-guided robotics accurately identifies and handles every glass wafer. Then comes the ultra-fast laser, too fast for the human eye to perceive. Its pulse duration reaches the sub-femtosecond level. The QR codes it creates are even smaller than a grain of rice. And that's not all. Its intelligent software platform adds even greater flexibility, serving both the semiconductor and consumer electronics industries. Powerful, user-friendly, and highly reliable, accelerating the commercialization of AR technology. From a single high-index glass wafer to a pair of AR glasses, HGLaser's AR optical waveguide high-index glass intelligent laser processing system is bringing the future closer to reality.